Hey Floss family, it's your girl Face Paint by Marcy J, and today I'll be showing you guys how to remove acrylic off of your nails. So I told you guys last week, don't come for me. So today we're back with a tutorial. So first things you'll need is cotton rounds. You'll need 100% pure acetone. You'll also need some foil. You'll need some scissors. You'll need an acrylic nail clipper. You'll need a cuticle pusher. You'll need a nail file. And let's begin. So first things first, I'm going to take my sheet of foil and cut it in half. And then place one on top of the other and cut it into 5 even pieces. So just a side note, this is actually the same acrylic set that I've been rocking in all my previous videos with the purple nail polish, but I actually decided to take the polish off prior to the video. So now to truly begin this process, you want to take your acrylic nail clipper and start cutting your nails down. And guys, please don't mind my nails. This acrylic set has been on my nails for Lord knows how long. So don't come for me in the comments. So here I'm taking a cotton ball and I'm going to submerge it in acetone. And you want to make sure that the cotton ball has a very generous amount of acetone, and you want to place that cotton round directly onto your nail, and you want to take the foil and wrap it around and then seal the ends so that excess acetone does not flow out of the foil. And I'm going to repeat this process on every finger. So now that I'm down to the last finger, I just want to note that you should keep the foil wrapped around your fingers for up to 30 minutes. So now it's time to remove the foil. So here I'm taking my cuticle pusher and I'm just pushing that softened acrylic off of my natural nails. And guys, please don't mind the excess cotton that's stuck to the acrylic. That's perfectly fine. All you have to do is just push it off. So now I'm going in with my nail file and I'm just going to file any excess acrylic that didn't get pushed off with that cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to file off the excess. And I'm just going to repeat the same process for all my other nails. So I'm going to let you guys just watch. So I just want to note that if you still have excess buildup on your nails, even after filing it, you can definitely always go back in with the foil and cotton ball and acetone and let it sit for an additional 10 minutes. So now that I've successfully removed all the acrylic off my nails, I'm just going in one last time and giving all my nails an extra file. And this step is of course optional, but I always like to go back in and file down my free edge. So here I'm going in with the nail buffer and I'm just buffing out my nails. So now I'm going in with the cuticle oil and I'm generously applying it to all of my nails. And I like to do this step to restore my nails. Usually after removing acrylic, my nails usually tend to feel weak and brittle. So I find that using cuticle oil helps to revitalize my nails. So guys, this officially completes this week's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me remove my acrylic. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you guys in next week's tutorial.